MTSR is trending and gaining traction, up 60.86%. This is Monday, the 22nd of September 2025. Intraday high in this session, $55.77. So, yeah, the company has been, Pfizer is bidding $7.3 billion to acquire the firm. So, Pfizer wants to rejoin the weight loss boom, and we'll get to that shortly. So this is the 1 minute chart. Here we can see that this intraday high is also an upper projection, 55.77. Current price is 53.60. I think we're able to verify or validate that projection with even further upper projection. Let's see. Let's see. Further upper projection. I think we got something like that. Yeah, we have here, if you look over here, this is where the prices are, the projections are. We have some of them around that sort of like $55. We have here, everything as of a couple of hours ago, this will be 4 a.m. in New York time. Yeah. The projections were 56.27, 70.67, 79.32, 84.66. Those, it has the potential to print such prices, and the probability of it to retesting 55.77 is also there. So let's come down to the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. This will be the most durable chart, closest to the daily chart. The daily chart is not active, it's only active during the regular session. So the extrapolation of the 3 period moving average on, sorry, the 3 period moving average, yes. The 3 period moving average, yes, on this 4 hour chart is saying that the strength will remain in place up till midday New York time. Then after that, there might be a brief contraction. Then the uptrend may resume. Okay, I mean, one can imagine that. Yeah, why not? The uptrend should resume. This is fundamental now. Pfizer is coming to buy, but we don't know the details. Is it going to delist? Is Metsera going to be delisted completely? Well, in any case, it's saying that from Thursday the 25th, we may have a further contraction. So what I can say for sure is that there's a very good chance it's going to pull back, significantly, regardless of the merger with Pfizer or not. Yeah, regardless of how fundamental that news is, it's going to pull back because some people in this market are here strictly to make some gains and then come out. Fundamentals, wonderful, wonderful, but as far as they have made some gains, they're going to come out, and when they're coming out, it might lead to a huge contraction. And so, as things stand right now, this may not be the best time to buy. It has already happened. There might be opportunities some other time or with other stocks. So as things stand right now, price pressure momentum is robust. Yeah. However, we have negative second derivatives on the 10 and 21 period moving average, indicating that the stock has been facing some resistance, as you can easily imagine. Yeah. So let's just see what's going on, what the details are concerning this merger with Pfizer. Let's listen and hear what's being said.
Following news that Pfizer has agreed to acquire the obesity drug developer Metsera for up to $7.3 billion, the biotech and pharmaceutical sectors are reacting with intense speculation. Pfizer's move to purchase Metsera's next-generation obesity portfolio follows a previous setback with its own pipeline drug, signaling a strategic shift to aggressively enter the booming weight loss market. Details of the acquisition. Initial value. Pfizer will acquire all outstanding shares of Metsera for $47.50 per share in cash at closing, representing an initial enterprise value of $4.9 billion. Contingent value right, CVR. The agreement includes additional payments of up to $22.50 per share if Metsera meets specific clinical and regulatory milestones for its combination therapies. This could raise the total deal value to $7.3 billion. Pipeline assets. Metsera brings a portfolio of next generation injectable and oral therapies, including its most advanced monthly GLP 1 receptor agonist, MET097I. The pipeline also includes a monthly amylin analog, MET233I, for use as a monotherapy or in combination, and an oral GLP 1, MET224O. Pfizer's motivation. Pfizer's acquisition is a direct response to its unsuccessful internal program, dunaglipron, and its desire to compete with market leaders Eli Lilly, ticker LLY, and Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO. By acquiring Metsera, Pfizer gains promising drug candidates. Metsera's monthly injectable candidates have shown durability that can improve upon the dosing schedules of current market leaders. Diverse portfolio. The pipeline of oral, injectable, and combination therapies covers multiple administration routes and mechanisms of action, addressing different patient needs in the evolving weight loss market. Market impact on other biotech companies. The Metsera acquisition has sent a signal that major pharmaceutical companies are looking to buy innovation in the highly lucrative obesity drug space. This is driving a re-evaluation of other clinical stage biotechs, including Viking Therapeutics, ticker VKTX. Viking is developing a subcutaneous and oral version of its dual GLP 1 and GIP agonist, VK235. The company recently initiated phase 3 trials for the injectable form and a phase 2 trial for the oral version. Investors are anticipating strong clinical results for Viking, with some speculation that the company could also become an acquisition target. Altimmune. Altimmune's primary obesity candidate is pemvidutide, a GLP 1 and glucagon dual receptor agonist. The company has reached an agreement with the FDA on the design of its phase 3 program, which will evaluate pemvidutide in diverse populations. The acquisition of Metsera raises the profile of Altimmune and other smaller players with advanced obesity pipelines. Comparison of Metsera's pipeline to competitors. Metsera's assets are evaluated based on their potential to challenge the dominance of Eli Lilly's Zepbound or tirzepatide and Novo Nordisk's Wegovy or semaglutide. Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. Lilly's approved drugs, Zepbound and Mounjaro, are dual GLP-1 and GIP agonists, and its oral GLP-1, orforglipron, recently completed phase 3 trials. Lilly has a broad pipeline of other novel weight loss candidates. Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO. Novo Nordisk has a dominant market position with Wegovy and Ozempic, semaglutide, but also faces high demand and supply constraints. The company is actively expanding its pipeline with new programs, including a licensed triple agonist and an oral amylin candidate. Metsera's strategy. Metsera's differentiating strategy is centered on developing next generation compounds designed for monthly dosing, potentially offering a more convenient option for patients. Its use of amylin coagonism is also a key competitive element. Broader biotech market implications. The Metsera deal is the latest example of a large pharmaceutical company pursuing strategic M&A to secure a foothold in a high-growth area, a strategy Pfizer also utilized with its $43 billion acquisition of Seagen to boost its oncology business. Valuations. The premium paid for Metsera suggests that large pharma is willing to pay significant amounts for promising obesity drug pipelines, potentially boosting the valuations of other players in the space. M&A activity. The deal is expected to increase future M&A speculation as other large drug makers seek to enter or bolster their positions in the lucrative cardiometabolic and obesity markets. Investment focus. The transaction spotlights obesity as a key investment theme, attracting further capital into biotech companies with promising assets in this therapeutic area.
Okay, so this is what's going on. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.